In this video, I'll give you a demonstration for creating two-dimensional arrays. In the previous video, in the whiteboard work, I have shown you what are the methods of creating a two-dimensional array. So just we'll look at those methods and verify them here and see how to do that. In our remaining part of course, wherever we require two-dimensional arrays, we may be using any one of these methods. So let us see the method. The first method I have shown you is we can create an array inside the stack. So a normal method that is provided by the compiler, if you follow that method, an array will be created inside stack. Suppose I want a array with 3 rows and 4 columns. So this is a two-dimensional array of dimensions 3 by 4. If I want to initialize, then every row I should initialize it. So the first row is having values 1 to 4. Second row is having values even numbers. Then third row I will take the values odd numbers. So there are 3 rows and each row is having 4 elements because there are 4 columns. So this is the way we can create a two-dimensional array. This will be created inside stack. Remember this. Then the second method is I can take an array of pointers of size 3. So this 3 is for rows. Now columns are not created. So this array of pointers will be created inside stack. Then to each location in this array, I can create an array in heap and assign it. So for each location, I will create an array inside heap and assign it. Then create an integer array, malloc of size 4 and multiplied by size of an integer. So this is for the first location. Then I have 3 such locations, so I will copy this code and paste it for the remaining locations. This is for 1 and this is for 2. Now this is for 1 and this is for 2. So this is how two-dimensional array is created. Already we have seen the board work for this one. Then the third method I have shown you. For that, I will take a double pointer here, integer double pointer C. In C language, we should declare the variables in the beginning. So I have declared it in the beginning. Now it's just a double pointer. So first of all, I should create a array for rows. So C assign integer double pointer malloc. It's a size of 3, that is size of integer pointers. So first is an array of pointers. The next is C of 0. I should assign a array from heap. So I should create an array in heap and I should assign it. So array in heap is of size 4 now. So this is for first row. 4 into size of integer. Then same code I will copy it and use it for rest of the rows. Yes, this is for 1 and this is for 2. See, this first rows itself are created in heap and the rest of the arrays, 3 arrays are also created in heap. And here rows were created inside the stack and these arrays, that is 3 arrays, are created in heap. So that's all. Syntactically I have shown you how the code works. So I have written the code and all this code is error free. Now one thing we'll do, I will take for loop and I will try to print all these arrays one by one. I will take integer I and j. Using these, I will print the elements of these arrays. Though I have elements only in first array, I don't have elements in second and third array, but just let us print them and see whether it works or it gives an error. So using for loop, I is less than 3, I plus plus, then for j assign 0, j is less than 4 because this is for columns, j plus plus, then printf percentile d a of I comma j. So values from this array will be printed, that is a array that is created inside stack. Now for a new line, I will say printf slash n. So after the end of every row, let it take a new line space. Let us run this one. Yes, the values are printed, the values that I have given here, that same values are printed row by row. Now the same for loop, I will cut it from here and paste it after creation of B, and I will print array B. B is not having any elements, but it should get garbage values, but it should not give any error that invalid memory. Yes, it is printing, garbage values are printed. Then same two for loops, I'll use it for C to verify whether it will allow us to access that memory or not. If the arrays are not created, then it will not allow us to access. This is created using double pointers. So I'm able to access these locations using C of I comma j. Yes, it is working. Some values are zeros and some values are random. So all those values are garbage values only because we have not initialized. That's all. We have seen the methods, how to create two-dimensional array. Just for confirmation, I have written the code. We may be using it if required. That's all in this video.